What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to take a look at how to start a Mazda CX-9 if the key fob dies. So I've taken the battery out of this key fob to demonstrate. As you can see, none of the buttons are working. If I try to start the vehicle as I normally would, I'm going to get a message here saying Key Fob Battery Low, hold key close to start button, key not detected. So what we're going to do is take our fob and we're going to take this logo and touch that to the stop start button, and then we'll be able to just start it as normal. So we'll come over here, press the brake in, you see it blinking there, touch the stop start button like that, and you see it's glowing solid. And then you can go ahead and just start it as normal. And then you'll just need to replace the battery in your fob as soon as you can. And we actually have a video on how to do that if you're not familiar, and I'll put a link to that video, how to change the battery in the key fob, in the description box of this video. If you have any other questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.